Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain. So what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here we can see that so one matrix visual and one slicer, two slicers. So basically here we can see that so some kind of ranking value like 3, 5, 7, 10 and region wise slicer. So here the requirement is so based on the slice selection I need to display the so each region wise so top colors bottom colors in ascending order. Okay, so for example if you notice here in the Canada region I'm trying to display so sales order in ascending. Okay, so each color wise sales in ascending order. So based on this selection, even France as well as Germany region and United Kingdom and United States like Australia and all. Okay, so based on this selection, for example in case if I select 5 minus, so I need to display each region wise so top 5 sales in ascending order, not in descending order. Okay, even if I select 7 min, so it's showing 7 each region wise. So based on this selection it is giving dynamically. So even you can select a specific region if you want to see. So for example Australia, Canada, France. I'm trying to select only these three regions. So now we can see. So it's working fine. So based on the slicer selection automatically, so the data is getting filtered in the matrix. Okay, even you can notice the total also it's coming fine only. So if you sum up all these 3 values, so we will get it so 58,340 something like that. Okay, so now we'll try to understand what exactly what kind of functions I have written to get this logic and all. So go to demo measures, so click on rank file. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so here also so in my previous video also I have told I used to use a couple of variables while writing any kind of DAX expression and all. So same thing here also we can find. So in the first variable I'm trying to capture the slicer value like 3, 5, 7, 10 something like that. So in the second so variable I'm trying to get the ranking for each color wise. Okay, so I'm trying to get the ranking for each color wise. So here I'm trying to declare one more variable. Here I'm trying to test if the color rank, what are the rank I'm trying to get here. So I'm just doing some kind of conditional. So in case if this condition matching, I'm trying to display the total sales, otherwise blank. Okay, again so I had declared one more variable. Here I'm trying to check so what are the so region or color, whether it is easy in scope or not. So I'm trying to do that kind of condition in this variable, and finally so I'm trying to return this result value. Okay, so this is the logic I have written to get this expected output and all. So going forward I'll try to write from scratch onwards because the time constraint I'm not writing from the beginning and all. So maybe in future I'll try to implement all the things step by step from scratch almost, so that you'll understand easily. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.